How to replace a Human Touch Novo XT Pro SE power switch. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a needle-nosed pliers. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Use a small flathead screwdriver to pry the edges of the power switch away from the side cover, then pull the switch out of the cover enough to expose the wire connections. Hold the new power switch next to the old one, making sure they are oriented in the same way, with the line, indicating the on position, facing upward. Using a needle-nosed pliers, remove one wire from the old switch, then install it on the new switch in the same position. Repeat this step to remove the remaining 3 wires from the old switch and install them on the new switch in the same positions. It is imperative that the wires are installed in the correct positions on the new switch, with the darker blue wire in the upper left, as you are facing the back of the switch, the red wire in the upper right, the orange wire in the lower left, and the lighter blue wire in the lower right. Push the wires into the side cover until the switch is flush with the cover, then press firmly around the edges of the switch to secure it. Reconfirm that the line, indicating the on position, is facing upward. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.